we are going to learn how to make a table in Excel. We will create a sample like personal budget. So let's start. Sample personal budget will be begun by adding a title and headings. We will add the personal budget as a main title. And for our headings, we will add a number sign, amount, then expense category, and the last one is type of category. You can adjust the width by this column divider. Simply you can just click on this and you can adjust your columns like this. Now I am adjusting this and I'll just select on there and like this. Okay, now the next step is, by doing this, you are merging this. Just press merge and center like this one, right? After this, you can choose or select any color from here to make it more attractive or beautiful, like this one. Now just click on bold button to make it bold, and font size, you can increase a font size from here to make it more beautiful. Now just select all these four and make it bold like this, and increase the font size. Next step, moving toward, I'm going to enter here numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 and like this. You can add some beautiful colors here also, like I am going to add here this color. Now here I have done the list, and at the end I am going to put total. You can add border here also. You just have to click here and just select it completely. Go to this border option and click on all borders. Now see, it's looking so attractive. Now you can color it also by selecting it, and simply you can paste this color like this. It's looking beautiful. Now you can make it more attractive by changing its color, like to make it same, right? The amount column, you will notice that the default formatting for cell is generally to display the numeric values. Now I'm going to putting amount like 400, 200. I am just adding it like simple numbers, 4500 and 2500. You can also add currency type. I'm just simply putting values or amount. You can add your currency type also. Then I'm putting expense category like housing, then transportation, next education, or you can add food, utilities. I will leave a link in the description box to how to make salary slips such like that in Excel sheet very easily. Now type of expense like rent, then transportation bills, education's bill, foods, grocery, and utilities, electricity. You can add this. Now at the end you have to make it total. Just select, just move here, auto sum. Now you are seeing that sum icon under the home tab, you will see the CF formula which will automatically calculate the total in the amount. Just press enter. Here we see that there is the sum which is automatically calculated by the sum formula. That's how you can draw a table in Excel, any sort of table in Excel very easily. Hopes you like it. If you like it, do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.